If one level sensor reliably measured your liquid and solids media, was simple to use, flexible to install, and maintenance-free, would you use it? We think so. Flowline proudly introduces EchoBeam, the latest addition to our comprehensive portfolio of field-proven level measurement solutions. Let's take a look. At the core is EchoBeam's robust 80 GHz radar technology that delivers reliable level or open channel flow measurement of liquid and solids with the following benefits. In performance, EchoBeam has a plus or minus 2 mm accuracy, a narrow beam for limited space, a zero deadband to optimize tank fill capacity, and maintenance-free operation. EchoBeam thrives in challenging outdoor environments with seasonal weather, including temperature extremes, condensation or vapor, rain or flurries, and wind events. EchoBeam works in difficult processes, including those with agitation and foam, dirty, dusty, or coating media, and corrosive liquid or solids. EchoBeam measures liquid and solids level media in tanks, sumps, silos, or bins, and water or wastewater open channel flow in weirs, flumes, or canals. EchoBeam is offered in 4 models, with different ranges, outputs, enclosures, materials, termination types, and mounting options. All are Bluetooth configurable with our Level Tap app. Let's look at each. The LR80 provides basic measurement with a 4 to 20 milliamp output, PVDF enclosure, 1.5-inch threaded mount, 1-inch vertical connector, and 10-meter PVC cable. This is the entry-level sensor. Each model from here adds features and performance. The LR81 is intended for challenging measurement with increased accuracy, range, and temperature, a 4 to 20 milliamp with HART, Modbus, or SDI12 output, and vertical or horizontal cable connector. The LR83 is intended for challenging measurement with a push-button display for integral or app configuration, a 4 to 20 milliamp with HART or Modbus output, and PBT enclosure with half-inch conduit connector. The LR85 is intended for extreme measurement with a 3-inch PFA threaded mount for liquid or stainless gimbal flange for solids, and a 4 to 20 milliamp with HART or Modbus output. This is the highest performing sensor for tall dusty silos, extreme liquid processes, and low dielectric media. The intuitive Level Tap app enables users to easily configure, view the level status, and manage the settings of Bluetooth-paired EchoBeam sensors from the safety of the ground or nearby catwalk. The information screen is the main page for each sensor. There you'll see the measured display value, sensor information, and access the setup menus and options. Let's look at a few. The configuration menu walks you through the basic configuration for most level applications. Read the prompts, input or select the value, and click Next. It's simple. Once installed, if you need to modify a configuration setting, go to Quick Adjust. There, you can view and adjust your settings on a single screen. Done. Have a more complex application? Go to Advanced Configuration. There, you can adjust factory settings to address unique scenarios and configure for volumetric tank level or open channel flow. Last, have an issue? Go to Diagnostics. There, you can view or adjust a signal return plot, run a level or flow simulation, and view sensor status. Problem identified and solved. EchoBeam provides a total solution for general-purpose, liquid and solids level measurement with media dielectrics greater than or equal to 1.6, process temperatures of -40 degrees to 120 degrees Celsius, and vacuum or pressure of -1 to 3 bar. EchoBeam is reliable, simple, flexible, and maintenance-free. For more information on EchoBeam, go to flowline.com. To download your free Level Tap app, go to the Apple Store or Google Play. Thanks for watching. Flowline is reliable level measurement.